So hey guys, I'm sure you've seen that I've started scalping my accounts. Okay, this time I didn't start with $250 like the last time. I started with about over $750. So yeah, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today we will be looking at taking more trades on these scalping accounts. Remember, if you want to copy my trades for free, send me copy on Telegram, and yeah, I'll send you a message. Telegram link in description below. And if you want to test my signals for free for 3 months, okay, send me trial on Telegram, and you'll be joined into the Telegram group where we send daily signals with follow-up and everything support you need. You'll be able to test it out for 3 months. And yeah, what else? Let's see how far we can grow this account. I'm going to be uploading consistent videos. Like I said, I want to do more vlogs. Tell me what type of vlogs you want to see. Put that in the comment section also. And yeah, we'll see how far we can grow the account. The last video, I think we made about $70 in 25 minutes. I just did like a last minute scalp for the week because I was setting up some other things. I was setting up the palm, I was setting up some other accounts. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment in below, and we'll see how far we can take this account. Last time we grew the $250 account to about, was it over $90,000 profit? I've withdrawn everything from the account already. I started trading on a new account with Forex. Okay, and yeah, we'll see how the account grows. We'll make some profits. I'll show almost every single trade I take because I try to record everything for you guys, but sometimes I just take quick trades and forget. We'll see how far we can go. Like, share, and subscribe, click notification bells on. Expect more vlogs, expect more places we're gonna go. Just tell me what you want to see and we'll do that. Also, I may start doing the live stream where I give free analysis once a week. I'll start once or twice a week now. I know I'm not usually consistent, but yeah, make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get over 10,000 members before the end of the year, or 15,000. We'll see how far we go. And yeah, we'll expect more scalping videos, more swing trading videos. I'm going to start live streaming a new account. So for my swing trade account, we started with like over 50k, made over 200k profit on each. And yeah, I started with a new account again. I took my withdrawals, started with a new account again. I'm going to start live streaming that, so stay updated for that. And yeah, let's see how many trades we can get for today. Or are we going to be in a hedge in case the market turns around? We'll see how it goes. We'll hedge trades, we'll swing trades, we'll scalp trades, and I'll show you all live here. And yeah, you can follow it up with me on hedgingmastermind.com. That being said, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I'm just trying to take a quick sell on this account and set my take profit. This is a system A. There you go. I've set my take profit. This is a system A scalp trades. If you're a student, you should know what type of scalp trading this is. If you want to learn how to do this, I teach my students with live trades. That means I share my screen on Zoom. We take live scalp trades, live swing trades, and I show you to do exactly what I do, and you get the software that helps me do all the analysis for free with the course. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, also, I have 2 scalping accounts. Okay, so I have the accounts that I started with about $700 and something, and I have this $10,000 scalp account. So I'm going to be scalping the 2 accounts, and I'll be showing you my results over the period of the next few months. I'm going to scalp steadily for at least the next 5 to 6 months or 1 year. We'll see. So yeah, if you want to copy my trades, you want to get signals, you need to have at least $50 to be able to fund your account so that you'll be able to use my signals. I mean, you have to be able to fund your account. Message me trial for 3 months free signals, okay? And you get access to the VIP signal group. And you can message me that on Telegram, which the link is description below. We're trying to get our Telegram members to 10,000 by the end of the year. We're up over 5,000 members on Telegram. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also, I've started the PAM copy trade. What is the copy trade? That means you'll be able to connect your account to my account. You need at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account. Just message me copy on Telegram, and I'll tell you how to do that. And that $300 to $500 will be on your own account. The profit is split 80% for you and 20% for me. The trade did not hit my take profits. It looks like it's going to go into a buy, and that is where I'll go into hedging. If the market shows me that, okay, it's going to continue to buy, I'm going to hedge. What is hedging?
Hedging is, for example, you are selling, the market goes against you, you make profits to cover any loss. Okay, so you're not losing any money. You will see this. If I have to hedge, you will see an example right here. I just need to know if it's going to hit my take profit first, or I'll need to hedge it out. And that's the way I'm going to, for the copy trades, that's what I'm going to do. So you have nothing to lose. If you put $350, $500, $1,000, $2,000, you will not lose anything. It's my secret strategy that helps me grow my account fast, helps me compound fast. That is what I'll use for the copy trade also. So you are at no risk. All you have to do is just, instead of putting your money in an account, you can just message me copy, and you, just as a subscriber, you make money while watching. Back, as you can see, I had to hedge out this account. The software showed me now is the time to hedge. This is when you have to hedge, how much you have to hedge with, where and when exactly to hedge. So as you can see, I'm already hedging the account. This software, you get it free with the course. What did I say? It comes free with the course. That means when you get the course, you get the software free. The software tells you when to buy, when to sell. For scalping, the software tells you the market direction, long term and short term. The software tells you where to exit your trade. The software tells you where to hedge your trade. The software basically does all the analysis for you. You can see that the trade is being hedged out, does all the analysis for you. So even if the market goes down, right, I'll still know when and where to hedge thanks to the software. It's doing all the analysis. So I have known some people are emotional with their trades. Some people don't know when to trigger their trades because of fear. This gives you all the confidence. It does all the analysis for you. It has no bias. It's not like an indicator. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use Bollinger Bands. All those indicators cannot predict the future. They are only a colorful way of showing mathematical calculations of what has already happened. With that being said, we will see what happens in the market. See, I had to hedge out this account. The software showed me now is the time to hedge. This is when you have to hedge, how much you have to hedge with, where and when exactly to hedge. So as you can see, I'm already hedging the account. This software, you get it free with the course. What did I say? It comes free with the course. That means when you get the course, you get the software free. The software tells you when to buy, when to sell. For scalping, the software tells you the market direction, long term and short term. The software tells you where to exit your trade. The software tells you where to hedge your trade. The software basically does all the analysis for you. You can see that the trade is being hedged out, it does all the analysis for you. So even if the market goes down, right, I'll still know when and where to hedge thanks to the software. It's doing all the analysis. So I have known some people are emotional with their trades. Some people don't know when to trigger their trades because of fear. This gives you all the confidence. It does all the analysis for you. It has no bias. It's not like an indicator. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use Bollinger Bands. All those indicators cannot predict the future. They are only a colorful way of showing mathematical calculations of what has already happened. With that being said, we will see what happens in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment. It helps with the algorithm, and ask questions and tell me what type of vlog videos you want to see. I'm kind of getting bored with the videos I make. Just tell me what you want to see, and yeah, we'll see how this trade plays out. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, you want to connect directly to my account, message me copy on Telegram. Closing this trade, closing this trade. There you go. That is exactly how hedging works. I was able to make profits to cover the loss. The market went all the way up. My software told me to continue to go that way. Some of you guys don't know when to buy. Some of you guys don't know where to sell because you don't even know the market trend. You don't know if you are still in a buy. You don't know if you are still in a sell. The software shows you everything. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, connect to my account, message me copy on Telegram, link in description below. Make sure to follow the Instagram pages, like, share, and subscribe, and click all the notification bells on. Continue so that you continue to get updated on the scalping trades that I'm making, on the swing trades that I'm making. And when you have the notification bells on, click all notification, okay, so that you can stay. For example, if I'm doing a free live stream analysis where you can literally ask me questions live for free, let me know. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I'll share my screen with you. We'll be taking live trades while I teach you. You get the software for free also. You can also meet me in person to learn. And remember, if you want to test the signals for at least 3 months, message me trial on Telegram. With that being said, if you have any questions, you can also message me on Telegram. Hope you guys have a nice scalping, swing trading, hedging. Don't hedge anyhow. Hedging day, if you actually know how to do that and you've taken my course. And yeah, we'll be right back and we'll see how much more the market has left for us to take. Like, share, and subscribe.